Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, video number 11. So hope you all are fine and safe. Hope you all discussed what all things which we have discussed in the last class. And also we have started our second chapter, right? The chapter 2, publishing. We all know what is publishing. And also we open a report and we know how to make a report attractive. For that we used different formatting. Bottle formatting we have used clone formatting, and we have a drawback is there for clone formatting, so we use style formatting. And using the style formatting we defined headings, subheadings and paragraphs by creating new styles, and we modified the styles also, and at last we have added an index, the table of contents or index we added. So here in this session I will be discussing a change in the index. There is a change that you may notice in an index, how we can rectify that change. And also that next we will be using an activity. We will be writing an activity of for preparation of youth festival. In preparation of youth festival we need to keep in mind about three things. First we need an invitation letter for parents. So here in this session we will be creating an invitation letter for parents. Okay, so just have a look. So we have completed the index table. So I will take the report once more and I will show you what all things we have done. From where we have to take this index table. We already created a report. We add the styles, we create new styles, we modify styles. Next at last we have created an index table also. So I have already you already know how to save the documents and all. So in school folder, in standard 10, open that. You can see in the student works, you can see the report opened here. So we will open the report. So this is the report which we have saved previously. Did anyone notify that we already created the index, but why only this much contents has come? Why it is like that? We already make changes to Amugam, and also you can see academic pravartanangal, and also we added the headings and subheadings, everything we added. But why in index it is not showing? You can see here only this two subtopics is shown, no headings and all, only this two subheadings is shown. So because why it is like that? Now first of all itself I will delete this index. Okay, next what we have to do is, you can see here heading 1 and heading 2, which we have created first. Before creating our own styles, we have created using heading 1 and heading 2. We have modified the styles using heading 1 and heading 2, which is the default styles in the style box. After that only we created our own styles. How? By giving the name in organizer tab, we created styles like heading, subheading and paragraph 1. It was here in this position, it was here, it was, but which we have created here. The paragraph 1 is here. In the same way subheading also was there, and heading also was there. We have to add this heading and subheading under heading 1. We have to add the main heading under the heading 1, and we have to add the subheading under heading 2. Okay, this heading 1 and heading 2 is a default styles which is already created by the LibreOffice writer in the style box. After that we created new styles like main heading, subheading and paragraph. So for getting index correctly, first thing we have to keep in mind is we have to give the correct font size and font family. Everything must be correct for heading. The same font size, color, everything have to given for the heading. The same way, same size, same color must be given to all subheadings. Okay, first thing we have to do is this one. Next one is we have to add main heading under the heading 1 and next subheading under the heading 2. We can drag and we can place it under this heading 1 and heading 2. So now what happened? I have dragged and I placed it here. Next, now we can see the change. Okay. In insert menu, go to table of contents and index. We all know that. In table of contents and index, you will be getting another option, table of contents, index and bibliography. Here I am giving the title index. Okay. And also I am giving the color. It is background color like gray. And I am clicking on OK. Now you see. Now you see what happened. Now there came what all are the to what all headings we have given the styles. It is appeared in the index. Amugam is there. Academic Pravartanangal is there. Amugam is a heading. Academic Pravartanangal is also another heading. And this giftum provisionum, Pustaka Vayanakkai Alpasamayam. These all are the subheadings. This Nooru Venikulla Nilamurikal. This is also an heading. So what all things, what all styles we have given to the headings and subheadings, it is appeared in the index box. Okay. So we have to keep in mind these two things. First thing is we have to give correct font color and size to each headings and subheadings. Another one is the created styles, the newly created styles must be placed under the heading 1 and heading 2. Okay. So after creating that, the same thing which I have discussed, control plus click to follow the link. If we click here on Amugam, you will get this. You will get this link. So click on control. So you can see a symbol of hand. Click on that. What happened? This Amugam. It directly you can get the Amugam page. Okay. In the same way, if you want to modify the contents, okay, click on this index. So here you can see in the style box contents heading you can see. So if you want to modify that, here is the option modify. Okay. So a new table, a new box will come. So here what all modification is necessary that we can do. Okay. In the same way, if you want to change Amugam, you can see contents 1, contents 2, contents 3 like that. Okay. So here also we can in the same way we can make the changes. Here you can see the contents heading when we click on index, and what all changes or what all modification is necessary that we can give by right clicking on that and click on the option modify. Okay, so hope it is clear to all of you. So next thing which we have to keep in mind is we already created a document. We know how to create a document in an attractive way. So with these all things we can do preparations for youth festival. You all will be knowing about the youth festival. In our schools and all, youth festivals are conducted. So you all will be knowing that. So how we can prepare to the youth festival? Okay. If our principal or our class teacher are recommending a student that you have to do preparations for youth festival, what we will have to do? The 3 things which we have to keep in mind is, first we have to prepare the letter for parents about the festival. Okay, we have to invite the parents. So for inviting the parents, we need a preparation letter. Okay, we need an invitation letter for inviting the parents. So first we have to create that. Next one is we have to prepare the participations card. Who all are participating in the activities in youth festival, we need a participation card. And third one is preparing the certificate. Who all won the activities, we have to give certificates for that. So we have to prepare the certificates also. So these all things we will be discussing in this chapter. We will be doing the activities related to each topics. First we will do the activity of preparing the letter for parents about the festival. Okay, so for this we will be doing in this session, I will be explaining this activity. For doing this activity, we need to keep in mind an important option named mail merge. Okay, I will explain about the mail merge in this session. When we start the activity, I will be explaining that. So first we need, for preparing the letter for parents, first we need a letter. You all will be knowing that. First we need a letter. Another one is we need to post the invitation letter. So how we can post? We need to know the address of each parents. So we need a table of address, list of address also. Okay, in our school resources, these two are available. So this is okay. I think this we can. I hope it is understand. So this we can save. No, I'm saving this file. Save. So the file is automatically saved. Okay. Next, now we can see that address and the letter where it is in the same school folder. Go to school folder. You can in school 10 in standard 10. You can see letter.odt. You have to take this resource, open letter.odt. So you will get a letter, typed letter you will get. This is an invitation letter of Government HS Charamangalam. They are inviting the parents for school youth festival. Okay, so this is the invitation letter. So here in the invitation letter you can see under the letter you can see 2. So here in 2 we have to write the address. We have to write the 2 address of the parents to whom we are inviting. We have to write the address. Okay. So here we can write the address. How we will get the address? Same, the resources is available in our folder, school folder. So how we will get that? In standard 10 folder you can see address.ods, which is saved in the spreadsheet file. So open that spreadsheet or LibreOffice Calc. Okay, in Linux we will be explaining, we will be naming it as LibreOffice Calc. So I am opening that. Just a second. So okay, this is the address. You can see the address of each parents. Here you can see 40 number. 40, okay, it's not 40 number for parents. You can see when we are adding this 40, we have to give invitation to 40 parents. Okay, so how we can do that? So first thing what we will do, we have to open the letter. So this is our address, list of address we got. Next we have to open the letter and we have to type here the parents name. Okay, how we will do? We know how to type the letter, and also we will use the option. But which one we will use the option? We will copy. We will copy, and next what we will do? We will paste it here. Okay. In the same way, each fields we will copy, and here we will paste. Either you can right click and you can select the option copy and paste. Otherwise we all know the shortcut also, Control C and Control V. So here I am copying each fields and pasting it here in the document. Straight time I am copying and pasting it here. The same way I am copying the post office, copy post office, and I am pasting it here. And the last field is pin code. Okay, and I am copying the pin code and I am pasting it here. So did you see that 40 list is there, number 40 list is there. So it's a easy process to copy each details and to paste it in the letter. It's a time consuming process. No, it's a difficult process for us. So to attest text, we will get each documents with the address written in that letter. How we can do like that? There is an option in LibreOffice Writer named Mail Merge. It will help us to get all the documents separately with each parent's address. Okay, here we have typed the document. Here we have typed the address separately. In this way, we will get the 40 documents. 40 documents we will be getting with the parents separately. They will we will get the address separately typed in the place of two address. Okay, so how we will get that? Which tool is used for that? The important tool is Mail Merge. So how we will get this Mail Merge tool? I'm showing it here. So I'm deleting. Automatically we can see how the address is coming to the letter. So for that, from insert menu, you can get the option. You will get the option field. In the field option, you have to take more fields, and in more fields option you can see Mail Merge fields. Click on that Mail Merge fields. So here we have to add our spreadsheet. Here we have to add the document which is opened in the spreadsheet. How we can add that? Here is an option named Browse, and in Browse where we have to go to our school folder, no? So in desktop you have a school folder. In a school folder you can see standard 10. Here is the address. So I am clicking on the address. Click on open. So our address is here. When you click on this arrow, we can expand the address. Okay, I am clicking on this arrow. You can see the sheet 1. Again I am clicking on the sheet 1. You can see the 5 fields, that is name, house name, street name, post office and pin code. Next what I am doing is I am clicking on the name. I am selecting the name. I am inserting it here in the letter. The name is inserted. I am entering, and next I am inserting. I need to get house name. So house name, I am clicking on the house name, insert house name, and the same way the third one is street name. Click on the street name, insert the street name, make it in the correct format. Okay, insert the street name. Next is again enter. Select post office, insert post office, and next is enter. Select pin code, insert pin code. Okay, so we can see, you can see the whole 5 fields here. Next what we have to do is this much it is okay. Next we have to, instead of these fields, we need the names of parents. In this format we need 40 documents. So how we can do like that? So this much it is finished. So we are closing this window. Next we have to go to the file menu. In the file menu you can see an option called print. So when I click on the print option, you will get a box. There in this box they will be asking, your document contains address database field. So do you want to print a form letter? So they are asking this. So we have to click yes. Yes. So I click on yes. You can see the details here. You can see the file here, address file here. Next what we have to do is click on the file, not on the printer. Click on the file, and you can see here 2 options. First one is save as single document. Second one is save as individual document. So if we are saving as single document, what will happen? We will get the 40 documents in a single file. If we are clicking on the individual documents, we will get separately the 40 documents we will be getting separately. So I will be showing these 2 methods. So first I am clicking on the single document, and next I have to click on okay. So they will be asking for where we have to save this file. So where we will be saving it in the student works, and I am writing it as letter. I'm writing like invitation letter, and where I have to save in student works and save here. Click on the save button. So now you can see the 40 documents got merged, and it constitutes in a single report. So now you can see the difference. So where we can see, here you can see the difference. No, where we have saved, we have to go there. So I'm going to the standard 10 folder, student works. You can see invitation letter.odt. So I am opening. So see, first one is to Venukutan. So here you can see in the this I will be closing. Okay. So next is I will be taking the address file. Yeah, the first field is for the first parent name is Venukutan. So now you can see it here. The first letter printed came to Venukutan, and we will be checking the next letter also. This is the next letter. And with this next the next letter, it is came to Ambujakshan. You can see here Ambujakshan. Check it here. Second field is Ambujakshan. In the same way, we will be getting the 40 documents which is printed in a single file. Okay, so this is the option for mail merge. Okay, Sunila. The third one is Sunila. Fourth one is Vimalan. In like that, we will be getting 40 documents here. We will, which option is used for that? Which tool helped us to do these all things? Mail merge. Okay. So when we give the option single document, we will be getting like that. When we give the option like individual documents, we will be getting individually. Documents will be printed individually. So I hope it is clear to you, and this much we will be discussing in this chapter, and hope it is clear. So next we will be in the next session, we will be preparing a participant card and preparing the certificate. So with these two activities, that's we will be completing the chapter. So in the next session, it will be the last session, we will be completing the chapter. Okay, so just we will memorize what all things we have discussed. First we have we found the error in the table of contents, the index portion, and we rectify that error. Now after that we got the index with full contents, right? The next one is we know how to prepare for the youth festival preparation. The first thing we have to keep in mind is about the mail merge tool. This mail merge will help us to get the how much number of letters we need. This mail merge option will help us to print each letters individually with the parent's address. So this all things we have to keep in mind. So hope it is clear to you. Students who have computer have to practice the activity, and others note down the steps. If any doubt, pause the video, write down the doubts. We will be clearing it in the coming Google Meet. I am not giving the homework in this session. The next session I will be giving the homework with 5 or 6 questions. Okay, so hope it is clear to you. So in doubts and all we will be discussing in the next Google Meet. So see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.